Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear students, I'm Sindhu Suresh. In this video we are discussing exercise 8.3 questions 3, 4 and 5 from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. If tan 2a equals cot a minus 18 degree where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. This is the question we are going to answer. We could start from the given statement, that is tan 2a equals cot a minus 18 degree. We need the value of a. To get the value of a, we need both sides having same ratio. Here the ratios are not same. We are going to change tan in terms of cot because we studied that cot 90 minus a is equal to tan a. See here, cot 90 minus a we write tan a. So we can write cot 90 minus 2a as tan 2a. That means the left side of this equation we are going to change as tan 2a we write as cot 90 minus 2a. Then the right side will be same, cot a minus 18 degree. Both sides same ratio, cot. That means the angles are equal. We can write 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. To get the value of a, what we can do? We can collect the numbers and keep it in one side. A terms we can collect on the other side. Minus 18 we are moving to the left side. It becomes positive 18 on the left side. Minus 2a we can move to the right side and it will be going as positive 2a. So what we are getting? 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a on the right side. 90 plus 18 is 108 is equal to 3a, or we can write 3a equals 108. How to find the value of a? Both sides divide by 3. So we get a is equal to 108 divided by 3, that is equal to 36 degree. The angle a is equal to 36 degree we get. Fourth question is, if tan a equals cot b, prove that a plus b equals 90 degree. Here we will start with the given condition. Given that tan a equals cot b, to equate these ratios we need both sides with the same ratio. Both sides are not same. Tan and cot are given here. So what we can do? We can change either tan to cot or cot in terms of tan. I am writing tan in terms of cot. So I write cot 90 minus a equals tan a. See here I have written tan a equals cot 90 minus a. And now the left side of this given condition we can change. In place of tan a we can write cot in bracket 90 minus a. This is equal to the right side we write same without having any change, that is cot b same as it is. See this equation, both sides same ratio. That means the angles are equal. So we can write 90 degree minus a is equal to b. Collect a and b in one side. That means minus a we can move to the right side as plus a. Left side 90 degree is equal to right side a plus b. That means it is a plus b equals 90 degree. We have proved the result. Question number 5 is, if sec 4a equals cosec a minus 20 degree where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Here also we can start with the given condition. Given that sec 4a equals cosec a minus 20 degree. See this equation, both sides not same ratios. So what we can do? We can change either sec in terms of cosec or cosec in terms of sec. I will change sec in terms of cosec because we have studied that cosec 90 degree minus a is equal to sec a. I need sec 4a. So I have to write in place of a 4a. So I have to write on the left side cosec 90 degree minus 4a. See, we are going to change sec 4a, we will change as cosec in bracket 90 degree minus 4a. The right side we will not do any change. It will be the same as it is, cosec a minus 20 degree. Left side and right side, this equation with the same ratios. That means we can equate now the angles. Angles are equal. Left side angle is 90 degree minus 4a. The right side angle is a minus 20 degree. So we can write 90 degree minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. Collect a terms on one side, numbers on the other side. So we are moving minus 4a to the right side. It will be plus 4a on the right side. At the same time, minus 20 we can move to the left side. It will be plus 20 on the left side. So now we get 90 plus 20, that is 110 degree, is equal to a plus 4a, that is 5a. 5a equals 110, therefore a equals 110 degree divided by 5, that is equal to 22 degree. Here we get the answer for a is 22 degree. Here we have practiced how to answer questions 3, 4 and 5. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.